Hey everyone, welcome to Blizzard Navigator. This video is a request from Winter Wanderer. Today's episode is Butterfly Knife Kills Cloudy Skies Revives Her Grounded. Enjoy.
I am going to kill Cloudy Skies. Hey Cloudy Skies.
What's up, Butterfly Knife?
I want to kill you.
Nonanan. Please don't kill me.
That's it.
No.
I killed Cloudy Skies.
Someone killed Cloudy Skies. I am going to see who the one who did this.
Why can't I text Cloudy Skies anymore? OCRP.
Bunny Egg Blade. I can't text, call, and FaceTime Cloudy Skies because she is dead. Dead.
Cloudy Skies died. What? No. Who killed Cloudy Skies?
It was Butterfly Knife that who killed Cloudy Skies, and the reason why we can't text her anymore.
I cannot believe Butterfly Knife is the only one who killed Cloudy Skies. I am going to his house right now.
Well, thank you.
Wow, I love this photo. Oh no, party time's coming. I'm going to put the photo into my box.
Butterfly Knife, I have to talk to you.
Oh.
Are you the one who killed Cloudy Skies? Now thanks to you, every Blades and Dojos are now pissed off about texting, calling, and FaceTiming Cloudy Skies. Did you do it?
Yes.
Butterfly Knife. I cannot believe you killed Cloudy Skies. Now thanks to you they won't chat with her anymore. That's it. I'm using Bloodbet 67 logic to revive her.
Yes, I have been revived.
For killing her, she is going to punish you. Go to your bed right now.
Whatever.
Yes. Cloudy Skies back and revived. Yes. Now I can text, call, and FaceTime Cloudy Skies. Butterfly Knife, how dare you killed me. Now thanks to you, all Blades and Dojos won't be able to text, call, and FaceTime me anymore. You know you put a sword on me, causing me to vanish. That's so it. You are so grounded until Benjamin 480 gets out. Your GD is in geometry-light. Now go to sleep right edge now.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what's in. Be sure you have a good time. Goodbye.